Children, in our last class, we saw about beginning, middle, and end of a story. Now, moving on to our grammar guide, countable and uncountable nouns. Before starting our class, take page 5 of your grammar guide. Are you all ready? Yes. Countable naming nouns. Things you can count using 1, 2, 3 are called countable naming words. So things that you can count are called countable naming words. They can be singular or plural. Examples are books, bottles, pens, etc. Next, uncountable naming words. Things you cannot count are called uncountable naming words. So, things you cannot count are called uncountable naming words. They are always singular. They do not exist in plural form. Examples are salt, water, milk, etc. These are some of the countable nouns. 2 tomatoes. 1, 2. You can count it. Then 3 books. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. 1 bottle. Many pens. These things can be counted. So they are called countable nouns. And now these are uncountable nouns. Water, this cannot be counted. Rice, similarly milk and cheese. So these are some of the countable and uncountable nouns. Now take page 6 of your grammar guide. Shall we start writing answer for these questions? First question. Sort the items into 2 boxes. Things I can count, things I cannot count. You have to underline the things that you can count and you have to circle the things that you cannot count. First word is water. Water can be counted? No, it cannot be counted. Yes. So circle it. And the second word, air. Air cannot be counted. Yes. So circle it. Moving on to the third word, cookies. Cookies can be counted. Yes. So underline it. Likewise, do the remaining words. Moving on to the second question. Choose the correct option for each picture. 3 pictures are there. I have discussed about the first picture here. A. 3 apples are there. So what will be the correct option? An apple or some apples? Yes, it's some apples. Why? Because 3 apples are there. Now moving on to the third question. Check the use of a, an and some. In your notebook, write the sentences in which these words have been used correctly. I have discussed about 2 sentences here. I have brought you some flowers. Is there any mistake in the sentence? No, the sentence is perfect. Moving on to the C part of the question. Can you also give me a honey? Is it correct? No. A honey is wrong. You have to write some honey. Likewise, do the remaining questions. Fourth question. Read the sentences. Complete the sentence using a or some. Please give me dash glass of milk. What will come? A glass of milk. Yes. Milk is uncountable noun. So it's a glass of milk. Please give me dash milk. You can also write some milk. Yes? Okay. Now solve the C and D part of the question. Find the errors in the sentences and correct them. Fifth question. Richa, Aditi, what would you like to have for breakfast? Is there any error in the sentence? No, the sentence is perfect. The second sentence. Aditi, I would like a milk, a bread with a jam and a boiled egg. So what are the mistakes in the sentence? Milk. Yes, milk is uncountable. So some milk or a glass of milk. Similarly, bread is also uncountable now. So two slices of bread or some bread. A jam, some jam. Yes, so these are the errors. Likewise, do the third sentence of the fifth question. Now, let's move on to the next page, page 7. Sixth question. Your mother has just returned from the market. She wants to check if she has bought all the items on her list. Help her out by looking at the pictures and filling in the blanks. So you have to fill the blanks. There is a dash, two dash and three dash. This is the question. You have the pictures given below. There is a watermelon. Only one watermelon is there. Two tomatoes. So two tomatoes are there. And three dash. So three bananas are there. Yes. So likewise do the B and C part of the question. Now the seventh question. Match the following words. Use the words that you have matched to write about the picture. One has been done for you. Yes, one has been done as an example for you. So here are some words. You have to match these words with this set of words. So this is the D part is done for you as an example. Loaf. So you refer bread as a loaf of bread. So the pictures are given below. You have to fill it up. So a loaf of bread is here. And it's written for you. Similarly, do the next one. What is the next picture? Yes, jam. So what you have to match for jam? Yes, a bottle of jam. So write a bottle of jam here. Likewise, do the C and D part. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let's move on to the final question. Eighth question. Write a sentence using each of the following. So three pictures are given here. A, piece chocolate. B, can oil. C, some sugar. You have to make a sentence using each of the following. I have done the A part. I had a piece of chocolate. Yes. So with these two words, piece and chocolate, I have made a sentence. Similarly, make two sentences for B and C part. Now turn the next sheet. Quiz, page number 8. So try to answer these questions. Let's discuss in our tomorrow's Zoom session. Is it clear, children? Be ready with your answers. Let's discuss in our next class. Thank you.